Hi everybody, I'm David with Elongator Tailgates. Now, if you own a boat, you want to pay attention to what I've got to tell you right now. Well, let's face it, a lot of times we're going to put our boat into water that's colder than we want to get into. And we have two ways of doing this. One is we roll up our pants and take off our shoes and socks and we walk down into the water and we crank that boat off and push the boat off. Or sometimes we'll take our shoes off and put on those little rubber boots and walk down there and do the same thing. However, I bet that you do what most people do and what I did with my old tailgate. I would open up this tailgate and I would get on here and I would stand on the trailer to span this gap and to release the winch and to get on the boat or push the boat off, depending upon whether I'm by myself or with someone else. So I have to span that gap, and it could be longer than this, it could be shorter, but you know, you have to get across there and deal with all this stuff without falling in the water that's underneath here, the cold water. So it's not an ideal situation, it's not a very safe situation. Let me show you a better way to do it if you have an elongator tailgate. What you do is you put out the extension in the level position. Remember, this gives you 18 inches beyond the end of the tailgate. Everybody can use an extra 18 inches, right? And it'll hold 850 pounds, so it'll certainly hold me. So, same scenario, but now I get up and I sit on the extension and now I can easily get to this crank. I can easily get up onto the boat or push the boat off without getting wet, without compromising my safety for spanning this gap. I do it all easily and safely. Same thing when I retrieve it, I can get out here and get much closer to the boat, to the winch, to get everything done without having to have this balancing act of getting out on the trailer and not hurting myself or making a fool of myself on the ramp. This is just one more reason the elongator tailgate gives you all types of functionality. It's not just about the ramps we store in the tailgate or the ability to load wheeled vehicles like ATVs or pull hand trucks up it or carrying long loads of pipe or lumber. It's all these little things that the tailgate can do that you don't realize you can take advantage of until you have it. One more reason why this made in the USA 3-year warranty elongator tailgate is something you need on your truck.
Elongator Tailgates, built for more.